Hey everybody, it's Linnea here with another Whimsy Stamps product intro video. So this time I'm going to be showing you the general store background stamp. This background stamp is just a little bit smaller. It's about 3 by 4 inches and it fits perfectly onto an A2 sized card front. Now I realize it's difficult to see the red rubber and realize how this stamps, so I thought that I would just stamp this out for you. So I'm just positioning this in the middle of a piece of cardstock. I'll stamp it once with black ink. Because this is such high quality red rubber, you don't need to double stamp, and check out all this detail. I love the negative spaces in this general store stamp. It really creates a lot of depth. So I've created a little bit of product inspiration for you, and I created this Halloween card. I turned this general store into a Halloween card. And this technique video tutorial will be available for you on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel in just a couple days. So be sure to come back for that, as well as visit the Whimsy Stamps blog for more inspiration using the general store stamp set. I'll see you soon. Bye!